Here are issues with the Arthur Street BPO. The photos from July 10. Here are the exteriors. More exteriors. More interiors. And it looks like there's some discoloration. Looks like there's a water leak in the water heater room, in the laundry room. So let's go back. We've been in the property since, but the last formal photos we took were here. And let's go to the laundry room. Nothing there. Here's the wall. It's not there. The previous BPO had no repairs on it. But you have to look in the damage report. Look at these repairs. We never put these repairs on there. That's a mistake. $1,200 for painting. Looks like it definitely needs painting. So that should have been in there.